And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a quick video tour this morning of the 2020 Coachmen Chaparral 27 RKS. Great new floor plan. It's under 33 foot and it just offers so much bang for the buck. Going to start off here in the front. You've got a front generator compatible front compartment. It is a solid metal compartment. Usually folks will put their heavier items in that front compartment area, tools, etc. You've got a quick connect here for portable solar panel and a light here to operate for under the hitch when you're hooking up at night. All LED lighting on this TPO front cap, aerodynamically designed front cap, long electric awning with LED lighting behind the awning. You've got a spot to hang a flat screen TV out here, outdoor speakers, additional power in the coach for the television with also hookup for cable and satellite. Again, additional 110 power out here. Wind resistant entrance door, solid step system with a large grab handle. Walking into the coach, first thing that you're going to notice is you've got all of your controls conveniently located right here for your slide outs, for your awning, your water heater controls, tank level monitoring system. Everything is easily located right here, along with your thermostat that controls both your air conditioners, which this has two, and your furnace system. Coming into the living area, this is a rear kitchen. So you've got a beautiful 4-door refrigerator. You've got a microwave, and it's a residential sized microwave. You've got an oven, 3-burner stove, lots of cabinetry and storage, both in the galley area itself and around the galley area. Nice double stainless steel sink. Residential style faucet with pull down. Lots of power ports. This has all LED lighting in the ceiling. It's a 4 seasons coach. It is rated to live in. It doesn't void your warranty to live in the Chaparral product. Again, lots of USB ports, power ports, nice table and chair setup. You've got theater seating. You've got a couch that actually folds out into a trifold couch. Again, more storage. Large television. CD, DVD player, Bluetooth compatible with a USB port right there for you to plug in. Electric fireplace that works as a furnace. Coming up into the upper deck area, you're going to have the walk-in shower. It's got a nice walk-in shower with glass doors, plenty of storage for toiletry items, a nice sink with a medicine cabinet, porcelain toilet. You've got a queen size bed, a nice large front nose closet. And again, this is kind of rare in a coach this size. You typically have to go to a lot bigger to get this bed set up the way it is. Storage under the bed. It is washer dryer compatible. You've got a spot here for a TV. You've got a dresser drawer set up here, 4 drawers. Again, 2 air conditioners, all LED lighting in this coach. Let's go back outside. I'll show you some nice features outside. Large pass-through front compartment. We're going to come around to this side. I'll show you the docking station. They do a really nice job with the docking station. All of your dump valves are very easily located, so you don't have to reach under the coach to find them and pull them out. Also in the winter time, this is going to be part of the heated enclosed area underneath the coach, so those valves don't freeze up in the winter when you're using the coach. Outdoor shower, black tank flush, water hookups are all right here. Conveniently located bypass for your water heater for the winter time. 4-point electric leveling system, so it's got auto level on it. You've got your battery disconnect right there. So everything's very conveniently located. Extra large water heater. You're going to get almost 19 gallons an hour out of this water heater, which is phenomenal for a coach this size. Coming to the back, we've got a back ladder to go to the top, and it is a walk-on deck, so you can walk on the roof, and it's pre-wired for a backup camera. We've also got a receiver hitch set up there so that you can install a bike rack or possibly a storage rack in the back of the trailer to carry extra items with you. This is a phenomenal coach. They're priced really well and competitive. They offer a lot of bang for the buck. If you have any questions on this coach or any other, feel free to contact me directly at ron.mcgowan@guarantee.com, or you can call me directly at 541-968-6010. Thank you and have a great day.